Well, Mom got wet. Cool. All right. Go, stay with your brother. You want to stay with Dad or with Mom? Mom is safe too. Alright, seatbelt. Seatbelt.
Your final seatbelt check. Seatbelt on. Seatbelt strap. Can you make sure the backpack is in the front?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Alright, now please stay seated. Stay back and have fun.
Thank you. Hey, it's just us. We get our own raft.
That means the water's either going to hit all of us or none of us.
Right, or half of us.
Yeah, or half.
Well, I have to say, and I was telling the wife, New, earlier, that I feel a lot more relaxed today than we did yesterday at Universal Studios. I don't know if it's because it's less crowded or maybe it's the setting. It could be a combination of both, but enjoying the day so far.
I'm pretty sure it's a drop on this one.
I don't think it's a drop.
Maybe. If it's a drop, then we're dead, but yeah.
Here we go, we're going up. Here we go.
Oh crap.
It's gonna be a tiny fall. You ready, Dean? You ready? We're gonna drop. Boom! Ready?
Upside down.
Ready? Hold on, hold on.
Are we gonna drop upside down?
Yeah, are you ready?
No.
Here we go, here we go. Here we go, we're gonna drop. Ready to drop? Hold on tight. Just kidding. We did not drop.
Yeah. Let's get soaked. Well, let's get soaked.
I'm actually really hoping that we get wet.
Yeah. Look, there's monkeys here. Hi. I can see a monkey. Monkey. Okay.
Oh, look at that. Oh wow, that mountain looks really cool.
That Mount Everest?
That looks really cool. I'm actually really impressed with their set deck in Decoy. I said that earlier, but it looks really amazing here. Speed bump.
It's actually really like Asia. I mean, it looks like it.
Hey look, somebody's barbecuing over there.
Yeah.
Or something. Look at this. What is he doing over here? What are you doing?
Oh! Oh! No! Drop! We're gonna be...
We're dropping. Ready? Ready? Hold on. Hold on. Well, Mom got wet.
Oh my god, I'm cold! I'm glad Mom backed off that side. That was an amazing Yeah.
Woo.
Sorry, Mom.
You should have wore your bathing suit, Mom.
Where are we going? Are we going back?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. wet again. More wet, more wet, more wet, more wet, more wet, more wet, more wet.
Are they peeing over here? No, I don't know my whole body is wet.
No, this feels good. Mom's wet. Dim, say it. Come on. And we're done. Do it again? So? How many stars out of 10?
I give it a 9.
A 9. Okay, you? 9?
I give it a 0.
A 0? Why?
Because I don't win.
What is good? What do you give it?
Huh?
What do you give it out of 10?
A 10.
A 10.
A 9.
All right. I think we all enjoyed that one.